Hello guys, so welcome to your English coach, and today we will cover one more IELTS writing task. This is brand new statement from 31st January examination, and our statement is some people think that it is more important to spend public money promoting healthy lifestyle to prevent disease than to treat people who are already sick. To what extent do you agree or disagree? This is our agree disagree essay. Okay, so first of all, you need to identify the task. Okay, you need to identify or you need to understand what you have to do, right? You have to agree or disagree. That is your essay. And now try to understand the statement. How to understand the statement? Read it 3 to 4 times. Okay, after reading 3 to 4 times, underline the main keywords. Okay, underline the main phrases. Okay, to spend public money promoting healthy lifestyle. Okay, and then prevent disease. Okay, then to treat people, should spend money to promote healthy lifestyle. So disease could be prevented, not to treat people, means less weightage is given to the people who are sick. Okay, so here you have to write about these things. Try to understand each and everything clearly. Okay, what happens after reading the statement one time, you cannot understand, right? Try to give it time. Most of the students make a huge mistake. They do not read the statement. They just look and then start writing. Don't do that. Understand this statement as better as you can, because this is going to clear each and every aspects of writing an effective essay. Okay, some people think that it is more important to spend public money promoting healthy lifestyle to prevent disease than to treat people who are already sick. Spend public money on healthy lifestyle so disease could be prevented, not to treat people. Do you agree? Do you disagree? You have to write. Okay, now write that. Okay, first of all, introduction. In introduction, what you have to do, you have to paraphrase the statement. What do you mean by paraphrasing? It means to write the statement in your words, right? Okay, put the statement in your words, and the style of the language that you will use, that must be global. Okay, so how would you do that? It is argued that government should invest taxpayers' money to educate people about healthy living instead of healing patients, or instead of the healing people who are ill. Okay, by a majority of people. How you can write in another way? A majority of people argue that government should invest taxpayers' money to educate or aware people about healthy living. Okay, instead of treating who are already sick. Okay, this you have written. I think. Now you have to tell about your opinion. Then I agree that, I disagree that, in my opinion. Okay, I believe that. Now you have to clear your stand. Okay, clear your stand here. Okay, after that, go to body paragraph 1. Okay, in body paragraph 1, you have to do one thing. You have to discuss one idea. Our one idea is government should spend money to promote healthy living. Okay, so talk about that, support that idea, give relevant example. Healthy habits are crucial to boost immunity, build resilience against disease. Here we have written. Okay, we have provided you with some ideas here. Okay, healthy habits are crucial to boost immunities and build resilience against disease. Government must encourage people to healthy living and participate in physical mental exercise. A substantial amount of money from the budget, a substantial amount of money from the budget should be utilized to build gyms and health clubs. Okay, these are three sentences we have provided you. Now you have to extend these ideas, give some examples over there, because here you are talking about, yes, healthy lifestyle can prevent the disease, so government should invest money over there. And in body paragraph 2, what you say? Discuss second idea, not to treat people. Okay, first of all, in introduction, you have to clear your stand. If you agree, then write according to that, but don't forget to discuss both views or discuss both the arguments given over people suffering from contagious disease which can be transformed to other. Okay, when you get in connection, should be cured, so the people don't become infected like COVID-19. It is a serious disease, it is a contagious disease, and if we come in the connection who is sick or who is infected, then we can be infected also. It is the responsibility of government to provide better medical facilities. It is the responsibility of government to provide better medical facilities to those who are ailing. Ailing means who are ill. Okay, it is important to restore health and build infrastructure so ill people could be treated there. Ill people could be treated there. So you have written this over there. Okay, now here you have three main sentences. You have to just explore them more in your body paragraph 2. Okay, but I would say one important thing about this topic is this, that I believe that healthy lifestyle can prevent the disease. So people, government should spend more money over there. But the fact cannot be ignored that the people who are already infected, they must be treated. So the spread of the disease could be controlled. You can also write such kind of things over there. Okay. And in conclusion, what you will write? Here is our conclusion. I believe the lifestyle that improves health. I believe the lifestyle that improves health, control the spread of several ailments must be promoted among people so people become conscious. People become conscious. Okay, you can also write people become health conscious, right? And don't become ill. Don't become ill. However, the treatment of, however, okay, here is however. Okay, the treatment of those who are ill cannot be ignored to build a healthy society. To have a healthy society, ill people must be treated and healthy lifestyle must be promoted. So these are the two aspects, and the government should work on both aspects. Government should work on both aspects. Okay, here you have talked about both things. If you want to build a healthy society, what you have to do, you have to build an infrastructure. You have to aware people about healthy living so they don't fall ill, and those who have already been infected, government should spend money, build infrastructure and treat them so they can be healthy. If they are healthy, then we can have a healthy society. So this way you can discuss both views over there, though this is agree or disagree question. Okay, but you are not bound to agree or you are not bound to disagree. Okay, you have to write your own opinion so you can impress the examiner with ideas. Okay, and always remember one thing. Here we have used some good words like however. Okay, so and use such kind of 5 words at least in your essay if you want to score more than 7. These words are impressive, and examiner is looking for such kind of words which connect to another idea, and that you have to do tactically. Do not make grammatical mistakes over there. If you make a grammatical mistake there, then this may sound incorrect. Okay, so do that in that way. Okay, so I hope that you have learned how to write such kind of essay. I'm not going to provide you with model answer today. Just I'm gonna tell you how you can write such kind of essay, right? So here is our essay. Some people think that it is more important to spend public money promoting healthy lifestyle to prevent disease than to treat people who are already sick. Okay, to what extent do you agree, disagree? Here is our introduction. Then body paragraph, I have provided you with some ideas, and then body paragraph 2. Okay, and then conclusion. In conclusion, write a brief summary. Do not forget to give your opinion. This is mandatory. Okay, you have to tell about your thoughts, okay, in a global language. Then in body paragraph 2, discuss second idea, support that idea, give specific example. Okay, and then body paragraph 1, discuss first idea from the statement, support that idea, give relevant example. Okay, and introduction, you have to talk about both views and both arguments and whatever is given there. Okay, you cannot talk about one thing in introduction. Yeah, you can take a stand in last sentence, but initially you have to talk about both things. Okay, and then body paragraph could be dedicated to one thing, body paragraph two could be dedicated to second thing, and in conclusion you have to talk about both a little bit, and then finally present your opinion. Write this way. Okay, and then your essay is systematically ready. Examiner can read each and everything step by step. He will not be confused. Though you have made some mistakes, still you will score band 7 or more. I hope that you have got the ideas how to attempt IELTS writing task 2 in a nice and beautiful manner to score high in IELTS. I hope that my videos are helping you. If you have got any useful tip or you have been benefited anywhere, please do not forget to smash subscribe button and share this video with your friends so they could learn and improve their score as well. Thank you. See you next time.